Let's cry.
Yeah, woo! What's your problem, Graham?
I'm not trying. I just figured it out on the last try.
Okay.
Like I just go up there and like expect
Try?
to land it without
Okay.
even effort. And that's not what life is about. Okay. Went too far back that time, I'll correct it. That's a pretty good one, actually. I just didn't get enough rotation.
Are you tired, Graham?
No.
Okay. Do you hate school?
Huh?
Do you hate school?
Not really. I hate what I have to put up with while I'm there.
Like me?
Not you so much, just...
Danya?
Is that a heel flip or even close to it?
No.
Maybe if I try something harder, I'll do it.
I don't know what his problem is. He needs to get it together. He needs to stop being a baby.
Like I can't even do it.
He can't even ollie anymore. Why even skate? Hey, why don't you be a Matt and a Justin and just quit? Huh? What?
Being a man more, although it is the only thing, I don't see myself living that lifestyle. And as far as
Being boy depressed?
being boy depressed, no. Joining the army and running my problems away. That doesn't really appeal to me either because I need to deal with things, reality, you know?
Yeah, I understand that.
Such as this little curb. It's part of my world tonight.
You're pathetic.
Keep on.
You're a jerk. You can't skate. Why even try? Sell your board at Play It Again Sports because you suck so hard. More?
Yeah, one more.
I hate your hoodie.
Okay, now you've done it. God. That was like I didn't even know what I was doing on that. I just went up and flailed my body.
I think I know the reason why.
Why?
You haven't had wine in 3 days.
What?
You haven't had any wine in 3 days.
Any what?
Wine. The liquor
More than
store was
that.
closed.
More than that. been like 2 weeks. God. I'm like, I gotta ollie it a few times.
He just landed a kick flip or a heel flip. I didn't get it. And now I can't do it again.
I'll do it. What got me? Like, in all reality, I should be in tears by now. Shouldn't have. Okay, I know.
I'm going to jump over that box soon.
God. Last one. Yeah, one more.
One more. One more.
Hit rocks.
He hit rocks. One more.